information and seeing what the important parts are. What is the question asking me to do? A machine can pack 60 packets of pasta in 5 minutes. So the important information here is 60 packets of pasta in 5 minutes. How long does it take the machine to pack 240 packets of pasta? So I'm going to start by creating a ratio, and I'm going to put pasta over time. So I'm going to put 60 over 5. Okay? And because I put pasta over time, I'm going to do the same thing for my second ratio. So I'm going to say that's equal to 240 over some unknown time. Make sense so far? Now, I have a couple options. From here, I can then look at the 60 to the 240 and say, well, what did I do to get from here to here? And the answer is I multiplied by 4, which means to get from 5 to t, I'm going to multiply by 4. So that means that time is equal to 20 minutes. Does that make sense? The other thing I could do is instead of doing the scale factor from 60 to 240, I could do cross multiplying. So if I took my two ratios, 60 over 5 is equal to 240 over t, I could just cross multiply, and that would give me 60t is equal to 240 times 5, which is 1200. Divide both sides by 60, and I get t equals 20. So either methods is okay. All right? So then we're going to look at, let me do this. I was thinking I could make this a little bit smaller and move it up. All right, so then the next thing is how many packets of pasta can a machine pack do in an hour? Now, this is what you have to be careful about. They want to know the number of packets in an hour, but the time above that, right, is in minutes. Okay? So I actually need to change the hour into minutes. So I start with my same 60 over 5. This time I don't know how many packets of pasta, so I can call that P. I do know the time, but instead of using 1 hour, I'm going to use 60 minutes. So I put 60 here. Does my reasoning make sense? Okay. Now I look at it here. To get from 5 to 60, I multiplied by 12, and whatever I'm going to do on the bottom, I'm going to do on the top. So I'm going to do 60 times 12, and 60 times 12. Sorry, my handwriting's atrocious, is 720 packets. Again, if I wanted to solve it a different way, if I want to do my 60